Hi, folks. I'm Don Wright, and I am your instructor for this term's Business 563 Data Analytics course. I've taught this course a couple of times, and I've been teaching business analytics for quite a long time. So I've got some background and experience in it. There are things in this course that I think you will enjoy, and I think that are very important for you to learn. So get into the course as soon as you can and don't be afraid to reach out to me for help, clarification. I generally don't have group Zooms because I found out because of geographies, our students are all over the place. Getting students together for a mass meeting is pretty difficult. So I'm very flexible. If you need a Zoom call or want a Zoom call just to get to know me or to talk about some issues and problems, I'm more than happy to set those things up with you. So just reach out. Let's look at the course for a minute. This is the home page of the course, which you will find, and it gives you some background about the course. I want to emphasize a little bit here the academic integrity acknowledgement. The last part of this video, I want to spend talking about how we can use AI with integrity and efficiency in this course. The school has some policies that, of course, restrict you from using AI in certain situations, but they do allow instructors to allow students to use AI for certain assignments, and I want to go over that a bit. So here is, again, the first module, and we have the standards set up for the course with a learning pathway that gives you some background information. And I want to point out to here the due dates. That's when things are due. So pay attention to those. It's important that you get through these things by these due dates. So again, that is in the learning pathway in each module. You can find those due dates and pay attention to those. The first lesson that we have, I'm going to click on that, and it's an introduction to data analytics. And this is called a RISE presentation. And some people really like these things. For me, they add a bit of complexity, and I kind of old school. But uh, try them out. You can click through these things. They'll walk you through. They've got some zooms and animations and those kinds of things. And they can be very, very useful. One of the things I'm trying to point out, I'm scrolling down to the bottom here. Come on, come on. There it is. Down at the very bottom, you can download a PDF of these lessons. And again, I'm kind of old school. I like to download those PDFs. You can mark them up, put your notes on them, and use those for studying. And so I kind of prefer them to the RISE presentations. But again, the RISE presentations are pretty good. You just follow through, hit the next. This is the next section there. And again, you can download. And then we've got another section here that you can download. And then we will go to this discussion. And this first one is the introduction, of course, but also some other information that we want you to share here. And I'm going to click off that and go here. There's a quiz. And these quizzes are scattered throughout the course. 10 questions here. You got 20 minutes to get through it. I think you can only take them one time, but there may be some in here I'm not sure of right now that allow you to take them more than once. Go into it thinking that you can only take it once, though, okay? And then we introduce the final project. This is a term-long project. The sooner you get started on it, the better. But we give you information in each of the modules, what is due there. You can see module 3, you've got to choose your data. And then module 6, you've got to submit a proposal for the analysis you're going to do. And then in module 7, you actually conduct that analysis once I review and approve it. And then the last part is sharing in the module 8 your findings using a presentation or a video or whatever you want to do. So be aware of that. Okay,